It is the winter solstice, everyone. Welcome back. We're going to be creating a winter sour. Now, this is a lower ABV cocktail, similar to how I did back in November going into the holiday season. This is a little weird because we're going to utilize fresh rosemary or rosemary sprigs and Campari. I've never had this. It sounds interesting, so let's go ahead and get into this, huh? This is, of course, a shaken cocktail. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and slice my lemon clean in half. To assemble, I'm going to take the leaves off of this rosemary sprig and put these directly into my shaker. And I'll go ahead and pull a sprig for garnish. Now I need 1.5 ounces of honey syrup. I made a mistake. Well, I made a mistake. I never used cinnamon syrup instead of honey syrup. So let's go ahead and rebuild this. And this is why I said more than a few videos ago, least expensive to most expensive. That way if you screw up, you're okay. Sprig of rosemary, the leaves off of that. And now, actually, for the honey syrup, 1.5 ounces. Now we need to muddle this. And here I get to utilize my new muddler. I'm going to want to push down slightly just to express the oil from the rosemary. And now I need 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. And now I need 1 ounce of Campari. If you remember from my Jungle Bird episode, very bitter, should play interesting. You may also remember the Campari from my Milano Torino Americano and Negroni video. So we're going to put this off to the side and grab an egg because I need the egg white. Much like other sour cocktails that are out there. Whiskey sours, gin sours, the Clover Club, things like that. Now we're going to do the dry shake. Be careful, once again. Everything in, and I want to line up the tins as much as possible. Dry shake. About 15 seconds. Okay, dry shake is over. Big rock, and of course, take your now frothy cocktail in with a pop. Nick and Nora, actually, change your plans. Get a large coupe. If you want to use the coupes I use, check down below for all the barware that I use, including all the glassware. Hawthorne strainer, and again, much like the previous couple episodes, double strain. For clarity, get some of the particles out. Now for garnish, a sprig of rosemary right on top. The winter sour. Cheers. It's better than I anticipated. Better to me. You still get the bitterness from the Campari, but you get a lot of the sweetness from the lemon, the honey syrup. It tempers it down. The egg white adding a froth to this. The blend of sweet, sour, savory. It all just comes together and makes a very nice cocktail. I'm impressed by this. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. If you click one of them, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. You can find me on my socials right here. Personal YouTube page, Instagram, Twitter, all there. And since this is the final cocktail before Christmas 2022, I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a very merry rest of your holiday season. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.